Good morning. After witnessing a hammering session on Friday, the Indian markets yesterday opened on a relatively positive note. The gains were mainly led from the frontline IT counters like Infi, HCL Tech, and Wipro, which led to the positive rally and sustained throughout the day. After receiving support from the other blue chip counters, Nifty finally ended the day around 1.1% up. The CNX mid cap and the small cap index also surged by 1.1% each. FIs were again buyers in the cash market segment after remaining sellers in the previous two trading sessions. Yesterday, the US markets also ended on a positive note after falling in the previous two sessions. The recovery was mainly on account of the clearance by the Federal Reserve that the interest rates will not be raised for a considerable amount of time. Today is the all important RBI policy. RBI is coming out with its monetary policy during the day at 11 a.m., where the market participants expect it to keep the interest rate steady. However, there is also expectations that there will be a cut in the SLR rates. SLR is the statutory liquidity ratio, which refers to the amount which the banks need to keep itself in the form of gold and government securities before providing loans to the customers. ITC has hiked the price of the pack of its cigarette by rupees 10 following the excise duty hike in the union budget in the range of 11 to 72%. The security law bill was presented in the Lok Sabha yesterday, which was aimed at providing the market regulator SEBI with special powers to work and counter the defaulters, recovering the amount from them and seizing documents which violate the capital markets laws. The Asian markets are trading in a slightly negative zone in the early morning trade, with the Singapore Nifty being flat. The Indian markets are expected to be sideways for today's session. Major resistance and support for Sensex comes around the level of 25930 and 25691 levels, while major resistance and support for Nifty comes around the level of 7766 and 7686 levels. Thank you very much and happy investing.